Most people get this wrong. They think online platforms for musicians are all the same. But the surprising truth is that Create Music Group focuses on helping independent artists distribute, monetize, and manage their music without signing away their rights. Create Music Group offers distribution to major streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and TikTok, along with royalty collection and analytics. You won't believe what happens next. They also provide publishing administration, sync licensing opportunities, and personalized artist support, which is rare for independent-focused companies. Getting started is easy. Upload your music, set your release date, and select your distribution options. The platform provides detailed reports showing streams, revenue, and audience demographics. For independent musicians, these insights can guide marketing strategies and help maximize earnings. A few points to consider. Create Music Group is not a record label, so marketing and promotion are mostly your responsibility. Some advanced features, like sync licensing, may require experience or guidance to fully leverage. That said, the platform's focus on transparency and independence is a major advantage over traditional distribution services. In conclusion, Create Music Group is an excellent choice for independent musicians who want to distribute their music professionally, retain rights, and access valuable analytics. It's a solid platform for growing your music career while staying in control of your work. Subscribe for more honest music industry reviews to help you navigate the best tools for artists today.